When it comes to navigating the vast oceans, understanding ship steering systems is crucial. These systems are the unsung heroes of maritime navigation, enabling vessels to maneuver safely and efficiently. Let's dive into the different types of ship steering systems and how they work. First up, we have the traditional mechanical steering system. This system relies on a series of cables and pulleys connected to the rudder. When the helmsman turns the wheel, it translates that motion through the cables, moving the rudder and changing the ship's direction. While this system is simple and reliable, it can be cumbersome on larger vessels. Next, we move to hydraulic steering systems. These systems use hydraulic fluid to transmit force from the steering wheel to the rudder. When you turn the wheel, a pump pushes hydraulic fluid into a cylinder, which moves the rudder. This setup allows for smoother and more responsive steering, especially on larger ships where mechanical systems might struggle. Now, let's talk about electro-hydraulic steering systems. These are a modern twist on hydraulic systems, incorporating electronic controls. The helmsman's inputs are converted into electronic signals that control hydraulic pumps. This not only enhances precision, but also allows for automation and integration with advanced navigation systems. It's like having a smart assistant for steering. In addition to these primary systems, we also have emergency steering systems. These are vital for safety, allowing a ship to maintain control if the primary steering system fails. Emergency systems can include backup hydraulic pumps or even manual steering options that can be engaged in a pinch. It's all about ensuring that the vessel can be navigated safely, no matter the circumstances. Another interesting aspect is the role of the rudder itself. The rudder is a flat piece of material, usually made of metal, positioned at the stern of the ship. When the rudder is turned, it creates a pressure difference on either side, pushing the ship in the opposite direction. The size and shape of the rudder can significantly affect maneuverability, especially in tight spaces like harbors. As we explore these systems, it's essential to understand their applications. For instance, larger vessels often use a combination of hydraulic and electro-hydraulic systems to ensure they can handle the demands of open water navigation while still being responsive in port. In summary, ship steering systems are a fascinating blend of engineering and technology. From mechanical systems to advanced electro-hydraulic setups, each plays a crucial role in how ships navigate the seas. Understanding these systems not only enhances our appreciation for maritime operations, but also highlights the importance of safety and precision in navigation. If you're interested in maritime navigation, take the time to learn more about these systems. They are the backbone of how we traverse the world's oceans, ensuring that every journey is as safe and efficient as possible.